In this video, I'll walk you through my full logo design process from rough ideas to a finished design, so make sure you watch till the end. We're designing a logo for a sustainable brand called GreenNest that focuses on eco-friendly. Before designing, I define some keywords to guide the direction, like eco, modern, and home. First, I'm just exploring ideas on paper. No pressure, just rough concepts. You don't have to be perfect at sketching. This stage is just about getting ideas out. Now I'm taking the best concept into Illustrator and refining it into a clean vector. From these, I chose this concept. It's based on the letter N, and it also represents bamboo and leaf elements. And here's the final logo with colors applied. Simple, clean, and meaningful. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.